Well, give me a saw. Are you heading toward the saw?
There's a saw right here.
Awesome.
There, Ace song. Ace hardware song.
Hello, friends.
Huh.
Oh, shoot! Look up in the sky. We're getting clapped. Spat and spit are vastly different. I hurt yourself. Do not try this at home. Ginger's chew mark. You're gonna saw it at an angle with the manual saw.
Saw at an angle with a manual saw? No.
Well, just at the moment you can just do. No, but you want it longer than we want.
That's what I said, and then he told me too long.
Yeah. Have the.
The big balance?
It's so hard when you're. That's squashed.
There's a snail boy. Used it.
Whoa.
Do you want me?
Oh, we could just use that right there.
No.
Alright, safety first.
Special, why'd you throw that thing upside? What a useless.
Are you
Safety.
being
It is upside down. There you go. Now it's.
Alright.
Stump?
I think he means that. I'll get it.
Oh, bring it.
The bark.
Esther is leaving. Esther's done. Ow. Oh, oh my.
Almost broke it. Peter, now there.
Check that it's secure.
Boys down. Look at that focus. Just reach over there.
Look at this dumb.
Esther, what are you doing?
Esther.
Oh.
Plug that bad boy in. Don't. Come on.
Safety first.
How is that safe?
I do.
Wait, you have glasses on already.
Yeah, but these are the safety glasses.
As you can tell, George Curtis Van Loo is a professional woodsman. You better put those together tight, because the thing's just gonna fly out.
That's gonna take like 7 years.
Yeah.
Cut through that whole thing?
That's 7 years.
How long do you think?
7 hours.
7 hours. Okay, here we go.
Right.
What? What?
That spray bottle goes.
Something's still into my eyes. I gotta push these on further. But if we cut it, it'll only be on the...
I mean, you can do that.
Right. What chance do we have, Dad, to hatchet this thing and it being straight? If you just took, now that this is start, 0.
It's only taking this long because you keep stopping to
Don't
talk.
Okay. So as long as I've gone again, that's fine. So double as long. All right. The sound it makes is terrible. A lot of sawdust everywhere.
Yeah?
So there's a little
But
pressure.
it's scary. I don't like it.
And
No,
keep
no.
it the big
Go, go, go.
straight.
No, no.
Don't, you can't.
Bubba, it's shaky. I don't like it.
It's shaky. Yeah.
It's not gonna do it.
Okay, that's good.
Or
Esther,
I'm
come
going
on.
to take it out, and then you're gonna have to put
Don't
it
take it
back.
out. Take it out.
Esther, please. Make
Well,
Esther
now I
do
have
it.
this.
So now you want to go in? So how do I?
Oh no.
I can't do the big C. Okay.
Let's go.
I'm scared. They don't like it.
Good job.
You didn't die. Round of applause.
Whoa. It's moldy. That's a cool piece of wood.
Pretty weird stuff. What's that?
Oh, this has no grit on it at all. Peter, get me a new. Oh, it's like wet.
Yeah.
No
Look at that.
kidding.
We ruined it. Yeah. Guys, where are the glasses?
I don't know, I'm looking.
Well, look for them.
Peter, those glasses need to be put away too.
Oh, they're in here. Yeah, they're in here, the glasses.
Not saying a word.
I really don't think so. And I'm scared.
Yeah.
And then put the cinder blocks on the floor together.
Longer, but because it's so thin, it won't.
Ponder. Careful.
See?
Where are my glasses? Can you find him? There's no time. Right? Coffee time. All right. We need a bowl, some coffee, some sugar. Okay, we'll put that over here. We've got our instant coffee. I'm just gonna start with these because that's what she's using, but we have other stuff. We have to whip this coffee.
What? What?
We got 1 teaspoon. Alright, excellent job. Alright, so next we just whip that sucker up. So, hopefully this doesn't go everywhere. I should have a smaller bowl.
That's a good bowl. Then you won't go everywhere. Alright, it didn't really froth up.
Kinda.
It kind of did.
Not that much.
It'll probably taste really good. But we're gonna try it again and watch it work.
I think it's very good though.
I'm sure it tastes good.
Whoa, what is that? What's
But it's fine.
What's the USB for the piano? Where's the plug?
So where are they though? Why are they in your phone case when your phone's supposed to be in your phone case?
Well, my phone froze and it wouldn't turn off, so then I was ripping the case off and it was so hard to get off. All the dishes done. The bedroom. Clean,
good
bed
lighting.
made. Clean my makeup brushes. These are
Those are
shells.
little shells.
Those are baby shells.
Baby shells. This one had those ones.
Where are my AirPods?
In your head.
No, but like the case.
Wait,
It's hard.
Hey Esther, turn the air on. Turn the air on.
Okay, because.
One.
Hold it up.
Why don't you hold it?
Yeah, that's.
Back down a little bit.
Just about fell.
What do you plan on putting on air? I know.
So she wanted it to screw it on, and that's it.
Oh my gosh. I was gonna look and say goes. You're messing up my $10 shoes that were $10.
slap you.
Cheap shoes. Those $10 shoes that are $10.
I thought they were 11.
These are worth 11 something.
Success.
That's without a case.
Like this.
No, it doesn't quite as light.
Yeah, well actually, it's one.
No.
Here you go.
Wait, that's the whole point.
No.
You guys have chocolate fudge and didn't tell me?
I guess you could take this blue one.
They're colorful.
But they're cool.
I know, we could put them somewhere, but not
Oh, no.
Which egg? Hard boiled or scrambled like me? No. Turn on the lights, boy.
Okay.
And I saw one guy say more of everything works. Well, it hasn't worked yet. So the most we've done is 2. So we're gonna do 3. Yes. 3.
That's too much.
3, just 3.
But it was so bad.
Okay, so just 3. 3 of those.
Good stuff.
So
we
now-
got cute mugs though.
That's true. And I watch people do it. Hey, turn that down! And, excuse me. Equal parts of everything. But people say it's too much sugar, so I'm gonna add 4. Never got thick.
But it was
And,
thick. It was frothy. It was frothy and whippy, but not.
So I also read
Creamy.
that some people said warm water, some people said hot water, so I'm gonna boil water. So I've seen people that have done it with just their hand.
That would make a better video.
Just
Stick
their
that in your beard.
It's not gonna do anything. that was.
Got germs.
I've seen people that do it with just their hands, with a whisker in their hands, and it's still never. They did it in like 30 seconds. I'm not even kidding. You watch them and they're like, and you just watch it go. Industrial whisker.
What do you want?
Hello? What you guys making?
Whipped coffee.
Nothing for you.
But that's the brand I used to get. It just must be a different one.
Must not like the dark roast.
Hello.
Yeah, light roast.
I always spill down the
Why don't you pour anything correctly?
Oh my god, Peter, get over here.
Oh wow, just
Look at this, my
Taste these
boys. We
mashed
got some.
Can you get the ice?
I'm trying. These boys are causing trouble.
Whoa, why'd you do that? I had
You said you
Your
wanted this
mistake.
cup.
I had clear cups this morning.
Yeah,
No,
but you
I
said
was
you
just-
wanted
I know,
this.
I was just showing that they're cute. Oh, perfect. That's a lot.
It's not coming out of the spoon, so I have to do a bunch so that it. Just a little mix. Just a dabble, do you? Okay. Milk. Here's the thing. Peter, I'm gonna do yours in a really nice glass. Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, those glass. There's many things we can do. We don't have to do the same thing.
I know.
The law, remember? I know. Read it.
Oh, it's literally bright red flashing battery. What are you videoing? Shot, I made him video so he wouldn't be here.
I agree. I fully endorse his message.
Did a little. Oh.
Okay.
It did not.
Get one. That was
Straw? Wow. I get a better straw now. Wait, look at this light. Get it.
Do be looking a little bit like a coffee. I'm not gonna lie to you.
one of those bad boys.
Take a big taste.
Thanks.
No, just one. There.
Oh yeah, this is Esther's coasters are a very important part of this thing here. These coasters,
Not the cute one.
very important.
Oh,
Yes, that's what you do.
one of those bad.
Because you want some of that.
Can you come here?
It's good video.
That was the call of Esther.
What are they called? The things?
Toupee.
Yes. They just shave the top of your head and then they glue that sucker down.
And it lasts for days.
By the way, Nathan was asking
Lasts
about
for
this. We're not just trying to like diss my boy,
You just
Nathan.
They were.
redone.
I say your sunburn looks
From where you're sitting, Nathan, see that little piece
Yes.
going out? That looks like one of your hairs, and it's just going little lower, little lower, little lower.
He's got a do-rag,
Start wearing
boys.
beanies.
Beanies.
Yeah.
And that was my.
Find somebody that
Hey, you know what? That's not even bad.
Well,
we should just go to Jack in the Box and just order like
either
100
way-
tacos.
go to
you're thinking-
Look,
No, I know.
I'm not making jokes. We're actually talking about it.
No.
Wow, you are
Can't
pretty.
put that on the YouTube.
Especially in this light.
What are you
Wow.
doing?
You know why? Because she has hair. You would love her if she had no hair.
We've talked about her
that's
specifically
great.
shaving her head actually down to nothing. And that we'd both probably like.
Actually.
But then it would be bad to grow out.
Well, I mean, like, I get that. I mean, it's not the part of me not having hair. It's just like, what can I cover the top with? Because
A hat?
I can't wear that
All the time?
Hey.
Why not
Okay.
walk around with a motorcycle?
More important matters. What are we going to eat?
Whoa, whoa,
I agree.
Did you just say my hair's not important?
Yes.
You don't need it to
There you
get
go. Much better.
Okay. From CSGO.
Well, okay, let's ask Esther. Esther, your husband, who happens to be holding the camera, had hair
Lots.
At some point.
when and before you married him. And
Now
now
she cries.
he doesn't have hair.
Big cry.
What
Let's attract
do you say?
I think you're handsome still, but then sometimes I look at your old pictures and I'm sad.
Put the camera back.
Somebody.
But I have to